Spotting errors on your credit report is a crucial skill for protecting your financial health. Credit reports contain detailed information about your credit accounts, payment history, and personal details. Mistakes can happen, and they might affect your credit score or lead to financial consequences. Learning to identify these errors early helps you maintain an accurate credit report and avoid unnecessary problems. Common credit report errors include mistakes in your personal information and inaccuracies in your account details. Personal information errors can be incorrect names, addresses, or social security numbers. Account errors might include accounts that are not yours, wrong balances, or duplicate listings. Recognizing these common mistakes is the first step to correcting your credit report. To review your credit report effectively, start by requesting a free copy from each credit bureau. Check all personal details carefully for accuracy. Next, scan each account and payment history, verifying that all entries belong to you. Pay attention to any discrepancies or unusual activity. Taking a systematic approach ensures you catch errors before they affect your credit. Errors on credit reports can take various forms. Sometimes an account shows as open when it should be closed. The reported balance may be incorrect or outdated. Late payments may appear even if they were never made. Spotting such errors requires careful comparison of your records with the credit report details. Credit report errors can lower your credit score, making it harder to get loans or credit cards. They might cause loan denials or result in higher interest rates. Errors can also lead to increased insurance premiums and even affect job applications. Beyond financial consequences, resolving these errors can cause stress and take up your time. Disputing credit report errors starts with obtaining your current credit report. Identify all incorrect information and document it clearly. Contact the credit bureau online and in writing to submit your dispute. Include any evidence that supports your case. Follow up diligently until the issue is corrected to maintain an accurate credit profile. Manage your credit report by checking it regularly from all major credit bureaus. Keep a detailed record of every dispute and communication you have regarding your credit report. Report inaccuracies promptly to safeguard your credit standing. Familiarize yourself with your rights under credit reporting laws and seek professional help if errors persist.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.